Hey everyone, my name is Costa and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect Claude with Framer. So for this you will need a Pro Claude account and a free or premium Framer account. Next what I'm gonna do, I will press Ctrl K on my keyboard, look up for the MCP plugin, and here you can copy this URL link. As you can see right now it's green. Normally this is gonna be red in your case, because you don't have any MCP connected yet, but in my case it's already connected, so therefore it's green. Now I'm gonna go to Claude, then go to my account, then settings, connectors, and over here you can browse through different connectors. However, Framer is not here, therefore we have to create a new custom connector, then call it YouTube video, and you have to paste this here. In my case, it won't work because I already have one, so therefore it says this warning, but in your case, it's gonna look like this. So next what I'm gonna do, I will ask Claude to connect to this specific project. So this project is called Framer Video YouTube. So connect to Framer Video YouTube project. Okay, so as you can see, it connected. Because I have multiple projects, it first has to look up for the exact project that I'm telling him. Now here, as you can see, I have this CMS collection. So let me show you how it works. Let's go to categories. And right now we have the CMS basics, pro tips, updates, and so on. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Rename these categories to design, content, video, and code. So now I'm gonna click on this button, but first you need to make sure that you are on the canvas. If you are inside CMS, it's not gonna work. So as you can see, it renamed the CMS to design, the basics to content, the pro tips to video, and the updates to code. Now let's go inside Framer, CMS, and as you can see guys, it renamed all these names. So that is basically how you can use Claude Code. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.